My name is Jim A. Hall. I am the Republican candidate for House District 9, state of Arkansas. A friend a few days ago suggested that we take pictures, and I decided to do a video instead. Rumors have surfaced that I have been convicted of child abuse. That would be almost humorous. It hits so close to home. I have, since 2007, actually a little before that, been an advocate against the evils of foster care. An advocate for abused children. Mostly those abused in foster care by the state. In 2005, at no cause of my own, my 5 children landed in foster care in Oklahoma. I fought for 2 years, and I won. Now, the public order from that case, the public order out of the child maltreatment case, is available at the site of donhaslam.com. He was my attorney. Judge Gary J. Dean, the 6th judge of the case, felt such evil had been done that he, when he gave me the children back, closed the case, closed it with a public order. The title of the order, was Public Order, Dismissing Juvenile Action, Determining Child Custody, Visitation, and Support. It had 2 captions on it, one from our divorce case in another county, and one from the juvenile deprived case, child maltreatment case. We attempted to sue the state of Oklahoma due to, I don't know whether the attorney took a dive or a bribe. But either way, we didn't get her sued. A few weeks ago, when this rumor surfaced that I had committed child abuse, I received word from the Tulsa, Oklahoma attorney that he was moving his office and anything left in his office would be shredded. So we had to make a quick trip to Tulsa to retrieve the files. That wasn't a wasted trip. I stopped in 6 or 7 corporate offices encouraging these companies to come to Southeast Arkansas and bring their industry, bring their retail stores to Southeast Arkansas. But when I shared with a friend that I had retrieved the files from the Oklahoma child maltreatment case, I was told I needed to take pictures of them, put them on the internet, and show proof. Well, these are the boxes. 1 of 4, 2 of 4, 3 of 4, and 4 of 4. These boxes are full of the Oklahoma Department of Human Services confidential files in the case files. They're full, all of them. This one here, amazingly, actually has on it DHS records. And within it, confidential DHS records. As I assisted my attorney as a legal assistant in the case, I was given permission to see these. Case is long closed. One of the children is now 18. But I'm telling anybody that has a question of whether I'm guilty of child abuse or not, I'm going to challenge you right now. Make an appointment with me. You come by the house. And these are open for your examination. But there's really no need for that. Just go to donhaslam.com. Go to my campaign page. I'll have the link up. Go to donhaslam.com and read his version of what happened. Then click on Final Order and go read what Judge Dina said. Now, the first one to actually endorse me in this campaign was Judge Gary J. Dean. He stated in a Facebook posting that I was an honest person, that I'd never had never been dishonest in the case in Oklahoma, was a person of integrity, and felt I would make a good representative for the Arkansas House, a good representative of District 9. I challenge those that are telling these lies. This week I attended a Republican luncheon here in Monticello. The state chair of the Republican Party, Doyle Webb, was present. Came in late, but so was the woman who solicited my murder last year, and her husband, my ex-in-law. Now, we're not certain who's been spreading these rumors. We know one that spread one rumor, that there was multiple warrants for my arrest. Amazing thing was, during the luncheon, with my van out front and the campaign signs on it, obvious that I am inside, the sheriff, Lieutenant Nichols, and Deputy Parker came in to eat lunch. If I had any warrants for my arrest, they would have hauled me out of that meeting with the state party chair present. So that should disprove that lie that someone present at the meeting had been telling. But as far as the child abuse, I can show documents and a court order and letters from the Arkansas Department of Human Services where people have called false referrals in on me, and I can show that I have not been convicted of child abuse. I did send a cease and desist letter to one of the individuals that were spreading the rumors, and from what we understand, they have stopped. And thank you. I did not stop fighting for my children in 2 years in the state of Oklahoma. They created an advocate out of me. An advocate that will fight for not just my children's rights, but all children's rights. I am an advocate that believes we need Miranda rights for parents. That when DHS walks up to your door, they must give you your rights and they must tell you what they are. Now, for those that don't know what the rights are, Google the Constitution, Bill of Rights. Under the 4th and 14th Amendment, they do not have the right to enter your home. They do not have the right to interview your children at the school or anywhere else unless they have a warrant. And it is rare for them ever to be able to get a warrant. And even then, when they do, the cases I've heard of, many of them is thrown out later. In fact, 45% of all true findings of child maltreatment in the state of Arkansas are reversed in appeal. We need reform in child welfare in Arkansas. And I pledge today, if I am elected to the Arkansas State House of Representatives to represent District 9, I will do everything within my ability as a state representative to destroy, dismantle, and rebuild the Arkansas Department of Human Services Division of Children and Family Services. Because our children, our families, deserve to live in peace. I appreciate your time. Please, go to donhaslam.com, read the public order in the Hall case. Come look at these if you don't believe the public order, and look through these files, and you will see I am an honest person and a person of integrity. I do not lie. I will not lie. Please consider voting for me the general election so that we can finally have a voice, a conservative voice in the House of Representatives for Southeast Arkansas, and not someone that will follow the party line and continue to support the Gestapo-type tactics of the Division of Children and Family Services. Thank you, and God bless you.